Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will discuss one of the common question that we see from our customer, that is when to use the static chat flow and when to use the AI in the chat flow. So let's understand this with a simple explanation. You can use the chat flow in the BotPenguin when a conversation needs a fixed structure or a process. For example, you can use it for the lead collection, appointment booking, form filling, order tracking, menu-based conversation, and we have a support workflow, payment or verification flows. So these are some common examples where you can use a static flow where you do not need any sort of AI. This is useful when you need a accurate customer data. You want user to follow a fixed journey. You need predictable responses. You want better control over the conversation. So at this point of time, you can surely use a static conversation, the static flow. Now we will discuss when you can use the AI in your chat flow. So for using the AI in your chat flow, you get this option of AI responses. So in order to use this, AI is best when a bot wants to have a natural and a human-like conversation. For example, customer support, product recommendation, FAQ handling, knowledge-based assistance, website support agent, open-ended conversation. So these are some common example where you can use the AI, and the AI is very helpful understanding the customer's language, reply intelligently, handle dynamic questions, use the trained knowledge base and integration. And also there are more useful ways of using the AI, such as customer can ask question in different ways and the AI will be able to provide an answer. You cannot predict every conversation path, but the AI will be able to predict it and answer accordingly. And you want a human like conversation like experience, so AI can provide you that. It is 24-hour available. The AI is 24-hour available, so that's plus point for both static and for the AI responses. Last thing that you can follow in a particular chat flow is a hybrid approach. Hybrid approach is like using both static as well as the AI responses in your chat flow. So you can simply start with a normal question like getting all the name, email, phone number of the customer. And whenever like you feel that now that we can transfer this customer to the AI, so you can give them the option that whether they wants to talk to an AI or they want to end the conversation. If it is a new lead and customer wants to know about your company, about your brand, so AI can handle it without any problem. You can easily transfer it to AI and just train the AI using the training, and it will be able to respond to customer query without an issue. And by this way, like, it will be the highest customer satisfaction, that customer is aware about your product, customer is getting informed about the product that they are going to use. In case if they have any question about it, so they can ask the AI without any issue. So these are the three things that you can use. Like you can use a static flow, you can use the AI, also you can also use the hybrid approach based upon the requirement. So that's all about this video. In case if you have any questions, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.